Discrete distributions have two requirements. First requirement is that all of the probabilities must be at least 0. You can't have a negative % chance to have something occur. So that one's fairly intuitive. The second one is also pretty intuitive. Each of the probabilities, when they add up together, must add up to 1. So you can't have more than 100% chance to have something occur, and you need to make sure that you're accounting for everything. So if you come up with a value that comes up to be less than 1, you're missing something or you've calculated something incorrectly. So let's determine if this is a probability distribution. We have different values of x. We have non-negative probabilities, so far that's good. But we add up the first column just to the hundreds places here. We have 14, 15, 16, 17. So we're not going to get a number that's going to add up to 1. These have to add up to 1.00. So they add up to 0.97. So it is not a probability distribution. We're missing some value. Maybe 6 will give us a value, or maybe it's 5.5 or 4.5, or who knows. Or maybe we've calculated these incorrectly. Alright, here's another one. This one fails on the first part. We have a negative value here. That's not good. Alright, we can't have less than a 0% chance to have number 5 occur, so we have a problem. Alright, so here this graph, or this table, represents the numbers of the percent of movies streamed on Netflix each month. So 6% of the people don't do it at all, 58% just do 1, 22% do 2, and so forth. So this is some data, and this adds up to 1, so we're good. Now, a probability histogram is much like just a histogram that you do for just frequencies of different values. The x-axis represents each of the different x values, and the y-axis is going to be the probability heights. So here is an example using the data from the Netflix, the number of movies streamed each month. There's 6% of 0, so we have 0. That's at about 0.06. 58% or 0.58 did 1, so almost to 0.6, and so forth. Histograms, again, the values should be touching, or the bars, I should say, should be touching.